Welcome to Into the Abandoned by Veteran Drone Works. I'm your host, Welly. So this is the first of many installments. Hopefully, we're going to try to do these once a week. The first facility was a almost 300-acre mental health facility. So very, very large, spanned over a very, very massive area in a well-populated part of the state. So this area appeared to be a power plant with a water treatment facility and some other shipping receiving buildings that almost looked like they received treatment there or did some kind of treatment there. So after this building or this facility was opened, right after World War II, it was open to kind of eliminate some of the stress that the other state folks in hospitals and facilities had been receiving because overcrowding for their psychiatric patients. Now, this was on the cusp of discovering Alzheimer's and other kinds of psychiatric issues, so there were some massive growing pains with this facility. I discovered that sometimes children were put with geriatric patients because it was safer for them to be not around the more psychotic patients. Now, people believe that these facilities are haunted because you had kids that were getting taken care of that had murdered their families, lots of rape victims and crazy things that had happened, people that are getting housed in these facilities. And even the local neighbors or the people in the neighborhoods around, they had consistent walk-offs and people that were walking off the campus and kind of sneaking out and abusing people nearby. It didn't until later. It didn't take any kind of malicious forms where people were getting hit with boards or beaten with different things and bruised and ended up being hospitalized. So it was kind of a difficult thing. Even though the facility garnered lots and lots of volunteers, it ended up closing in 2012. So they stopped accepting patients on June 16th, and you can see it's almost as it was left immediately. Lab coats everywhere, paint sloughing off. There's crock pots and microwaves and exam tables, just so much left behind. So it was left in a hurry, and almost 2 weeks after their announcement of not accepting any new patients on June 16th, they had their last patient had left the facility. So since then, it's just been desolate land, overgrown. As you can see here, just everything's overgrown. And it's run by coyotes, deer, security, and yeah, just kind of sad to see a facility that potentially brought great treatment to lots of people, but very, very difficult patients that needed the care, and it had to close so abruptly. So, but this video was unfortunately short because security found us. It is under security 24/7, so we try to sneak into these places to kind of get some good footage and get some understanding of why these places were abandoned and what makes them really cool and interesting. But security is really nice. They asked us politely to leave, and we did just that. And for obviously privacy purposes, I didn't include that portion of the interview in this. So if you like this, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these. Like I said, my partner and I are going to be doing once a week trips to different abandoned places and bringing videos to you. So if you like and subscribe, we'll add more. And comment a suggestion on a place you'd like us to visit next, and we'll definitely take that in consideration. Thanks for visiting, and we'll see you soon.